Well, hello, beautiful people. How are you today? I am doing fantastic. And Wings Love sent me some bras to check out to share with you. So let's see what we got. Okay. Ba-da-bum-bum. How's your day going? How's your month going? Are you having a great January? Okay, first of all, the first thing I notice is Wings Love, let us be us. Bam! How cute is that? Already loving that. I just wanted black, but they have other colors that your little cute self can choose from. Okay, so this is the sports bra. Da-da-da-da. So it's got a cute little meshy mesh right there. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, little space for the girls, and then a nice little clasp in the back, a three little strap clasp. Bum, bum. Okay, that is item one. Let's see what else we got, shall we? My little cuties. Okay, bam. A black, like t-shirt push-up bra. So it does have some padding in here, if you can see that. And it's very soft. Like the material is very soft and smooth. So I really like that. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, here we go. Little two-strap claps. So, okay, this is the bra I'm wearing right now. It is not a push-up, just a regular t-shirt bra. Bam, ba in this cute little outfit. I'll try on the bra. Oh, this one. I feel like this one because we wear these kind of bras almost every day, and these only for the gym. So I'm going to try on this one for you so you can see. Plus, we can compare because I'm not wearing a sports bra. Hmm. Okay, be right back. Okay, so here we go. So the straps, like it's not cutting into me at all. It feels cozy from the side, the coverage, from the back. It's not cutting into me here either. And again, it's got the cute little saying, right? Let us be us. So cute. It's comfortable. Yeah, so it feels pretty cozy. Can twist and shout, right? Good, good, good. Okay. Oh yeah, and like from here, right? It fits nicely. So let me put on my sweatshirt. Okay, here we go. Sweatshirt on from the side. Do, 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 do. There we go. What do you think? It's pretty cozy. It's not hurting my shoulders at all. It's comfortable, stretchy, feels good. So if you, little cutie, want to give Wings Love a little try for yourself, I will put the link in the description and you can go pick out a color for you. And then let me know how you like it. Let me know if this fit is kind of what you're going for. So I know what you want. Okie dokies. All right. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.